continue our on-body journey with hooping around your chest. Let's get started. Oh, but wait, have you done your warm-up yet? As usual, make sure you warm up before starting any new routine. Okay, so let's get started. Before you even bring the hoop to your chest, let me show you the body isolation that is required for you to understand the movement of the hoop, right? So let's get started. First, place both the hands on your waist. Stand nice and straight, spine straight, roll your shoulders back 3 times, look forward, right? Now from here, increase the distance between your legs. This much is fine. Keep your legs at shoulder length apart and hands on the waist. And now start going with your shoulders on one side. So your waist is in one place, only your chest is moving to the side, right? So right, then we go forward, left and back. Right, forward, left and back. Right, forward, left and back. Do this 8 times and then repeat from the left side. Come back to the center, roll your shoulders 3 times again. Breathe and then go on the left, forward, right and back, left, forward, right and back. That's about it. So that's how we do chest isolation body movement practice. Now, while hooping around your chest, make sure to watch out for your hands. Keep them straight up behind your ears, okay? And your spine should be straight like this. So your hand goes behind your ears and your spine is straight, just like mine. So get your hoops and let's begin. Take your hoop and place it right here under your arms. Take your elbows up and place it right in front of your chest. Not too low, not too up, right in front of you. Right? Now from here, what we are going to do is push the hoop from the right hand to go towards the left side. But make sure that you take your hand away and up behind your ear so that we have a chest forward. The moment you take your hand up, the chest goes out, right? And we are doing chest hooping, so this is very much required. Keep the hoop on the chest like this. Let's go. Keep your hands up and push the hoop and just observe the touch points of the hoop on your body first. Right? So your first touch point is on the left side, right? Under your arm. That's where you need to start hitting. So the moment you feel the first touch, just hit it to the side. And then the hoop is going to take a turn and go on the other side. You will feel the touch point here. Then you move to the other side. You already know the technique of waist hooping. Remember how we were going left and right, left and right? That's the same movement required, but from your chest. That's why the chest isolation that I explained to you in the beginning is what we need to do first to learn this. Take your hoop, place it on the chest level, just like this, elbows facing up. You'll take your hand up, roll it behind your ear and push it to the side. The first touch point would be on the left side under your arm. Observe that, pay attention to that. Now keep the hoop again at the horizontal level on your chest, push it to the side. And go side to side, side to side. You've already learned that in waist hooping, isn't it? We were going side to side, side to side, side to side. The movement is the same, but we are doing this from the chest. All right, so this is the first technique where you go side to side. Let me show it to you again. Watch it carefully, see where my hands are placed, see how the shoulders are moving and how my spine is. All right? Perfect. I hope you got that. So let me show you the second technique of chest hooping. Just like in waist hooping, you were going side to side and then you had one leg forward and you're going front and back. That is what we need to do from the chest now. Okay, so you're going to stand like this, take the hoop right under your arms like this, elbows up, hands out of the way, and this time we are not going side to side, we are going front and back. Let me show you again. Just the body movement. Take your hands behind your ear. If it's here, what happens is this part gets squeezed in, so you don't have enough support. That's why it's important that your hands are behind your ear and this pushes your chest forward. Then you just go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Right? So that's the body movement. Wasn't that fun? Chest hooping might look difficult, but all it needs is focus and practice to get better. If your hoop falls, pick it up and get going again. Keep at it.